If you need to close your Lyft account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to close. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile picture or the menu icon in the top left corner of the app. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Account Management. Scroll down to find the Account section. Look for the option labeled Manage Account or Account Management and select it. Step 4. Request account deletion. Within the Account Management options, find the Delete Account or Close Account option. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to close your account. You may need to provide a reason for leaving. Step 5. Confirm and complete. After submitting your request, you should receive a confirmation message. Make sure to check your email for any further instructions or confirmations from Lyft regarding the closure of your account. Once you have completed these steps, your Lyft account will be closed. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft support for assistance.